Come here. Come here. Stop. Stop. Come here. Come here. I'll help you. Come here. That's it. Come on. There you go. Don't bite, mate. Oi, get off! I'm bringing it back.
You've got to get a ladder now.
I found it.
You've got to get a ladder.
I'm going to put you back with your mummy.
You've got to go up there.
I'm going to put this baby seagull back with his mummy, but I'm getting nice toes. Yeah, I'm ready.
Would you like to get a better grip of it?
Oh, yeah, I've got it.
Sure.
Yeah, I've got it. It'll bite me otherwise. I am taking this baby seagull back to its mummy seagull. Did it fall off the roof? So I'm going to put the baby seagull back with the mummy, but the mummy's nosed over me. They think I'm going to hurt it. Hello? I'm putting you back. Stop biting me. I'm putting you back. All right, calm down. I'm helping you.
Just miss your head, Tom.
Here you go, I'm helping you.
So we had this trouble last year.
Shush. I think it's a nice thing to help animals, and this baby could die down here. It's fell off the roof, so I'm going to put the baby seagull back on the roof to be with its mother. Come on, it's the best we can do. Seagulls, they're still animals, and they deserve love. I'm not going to see a little baby die, whatever animal. So here we go, here's a ladder. We're going to put it back on the roof with its mummy. And I think everyone should do this. Don't just laugh or cry. If you see a seagull on the floor, put it back with its mummy. Thank you, Tom. We're going to put him back on the seagull now where he belongs. Calm down. I've got to climb the ladder yet with one hand. That's it, perfect. You got it.
Is that all right there?
Perfect, Tom.
Is that all right? Sure.
Perfect. Could you hold this camera for me? Because I'm...
Hold the camera.
Just hold it with double hands.
Yeah, go on then.
Can you see me through that? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you at the back of the house.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to put this little guy back with his mummy.
Come on, there you go.
Wait. Here you go. I'm going to put this seagull back with his mummy up here.
Yeah, go on then.
Here you go, he's back. This camera on. Thank you, Tom.
Well, mate, no problem.
There you go, he's back with his mummy now. Oh, he's well happy. And there's his mummy. Mummy and baby are back together. And if you see a seagull that has fell off the roof, please put it back with his mummy. Because it's unfair to leave it on the floor. How else would it get back up there? It's a baby.
Come back to see you.
They've all come out to see me, ain't they? If you can save a seagull's life. How's that, Jackie?
Thank you.
How's that, Tom? And that is how you save a seagull's life. And maybe it can save yours. Shine on. Ah! How did I get up here? He's saved.